Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 5 Lite. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. In the beginning, let's open camera and let me start with the modes. So, on the homepage of the camera we've got night mode, video mode, photo mode, portrait and more. Let's start with night mode. In here we can zoom in up to 10 times and set ultra-wide camera. Then we can enable night tripod mode, put on some filters, change aspect ratio, set timer between 3 seconds and 10 seconds, and that's it. Let's go to video mode. In video mode we can also zoom in up to 10 times and turn on ultra wide video. Then we can turn on ultra steady mode, enable flashlight, adjust bokeh, put on some filters, and that's it. In photo mode we can zoom as well, but also we can enable Google Lens, HDR, flashlight, put on some filters and enable AI camera. Also we can adjust beautification. In portrait mode we can only adjust bokeh, put filters and change screen duration. Let's go to more. In more settings we've got dual view video, slow motion, time lapse, Pro mode, where we can change ISO, shutter speed, white balance, AF, and EV. Also we can zoom in expert mode. Now let's go to extra mode. In here we can only zoom in 5 times and can't zoom out. But we can turn on flashlight, put on some filters, set timer, and that's it. Then we've got panorama, with beautification and standard modes like in the different modes, text scanner, macro, and sticker. Now let me show you how photo mode works. And what's its quality? Okay, now let's go to settings. And in settings we can change volume button function between volume, shutter and zoom. We can enable or disable shutter sound, location, change composition. It means we can enable grid, diagonal lines or gold spiral. And also we can enable grid lines in video mode. In advanced settings we can enable or disable flip selfie, lens stain detection, quick launch gestures, and quick share and edit. In shooting methods we can enable or disable gestures, photo, and touch to take photo. Also we can turn on watermark with data and time and location. We can change video resolution, slow motion resolution, and enable video encoding. And that's it for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.